Okay, hi people. Today I wanted to show to you how to use different effects for Kdenlive, because by default you have limited number of the transition effects. It is possible to download and install manually or install from the library. I also checked you can use either application or you can manually install different transition effects. For example, playing brush wipe. This is quite interesting. But first of all, I'll get to show to you how you can get quicker. We have icon download new effects. So you have window. You can either install directly to application, but you can also check different way of installing. This is actually different, but now I will show to you horizontal line, X swipe. This is quite interesting. First of all, I will get back to okay, I have to open up this window once again because for some reasons it doesn't show everything at once. Zoom out. Oh, this is one of the transition effects you can install. Spin transition install. What's the difference? Because we have like 4K display. But I would like to show to you how I install it manually. For example, effects of the heart. Because before I checked the web page, I had a very limited number of the effects. But you have plenty of the different effects and they look quite cool. Okay, let's get back to XY, download. And I will have to show to you how to install manually on local hard drive. So we copy transition effects. This is actually different format. And you go to name of your folder user, application data, local, Kdenlive, Lumas, folder, HD, and you copy here. But you have to open up application after installing effects. Why I decided to publish video tutorial about it? Because it looks quite cool. There are lots of various different effects. If I knew about it, I would have published video tutorials straight away. Oh, this is actually different. Oh no, why is it for Linux? No. I will have to download something else. Oh, I don't have that one. I would like to download this. Why is it PNG format? Okay, it should work with Kdenlive. Simply mask. Okay, I will have to save my project. Also, in the past I published a video tutorial how to avoid problems when you're rendering video when it eats up lots of memory. You would rather to turn proxy clips to avoid any memory RAM issues. Okay, I will have to a quick application. Because we will have to add new sketch. I didn't add the sound yet. Okay, we have motorcycle. This is one of my new sketches. I would like to add music soon. I drew this end of May, so I visited Wales. That one took me almost 2 days. Okay, we drag it here. No, I will have to remove effects. You have to connect here to make a gap between effects. Okay, let's check. What was the name of the effect? Simply mask. We are searching for simply mask. Yes, I got it. I only was worried. Oh yes, this is what I was searching for. Softness. You can see how cool is that. But we can extend the effects. Mark. Wait a minute. I think I messed up when I drag that window. We should click once again. Oh, I think I have to drag this window. Now it is properly modified. This is to do with effect, not fade one, fading in. We focus on this because when I zoom in, you have to pay attention to drag this. You see the red line? Simply mask. Oh yes, wonderful, amazing. This is what I was meant to do. Softness. Oh, this is cool. If I knew about this, I would have done this much quicker. I wish I knew about those effects before. Okay, my control and middle mouse button, I will zoom out. I didn't add the sound yet. Okay, so I can play this for you. Sorry, it seems to be too slow. But this is only experimental animation to show to you how does it look like. And I'm in awe, to be honest with you people. I'm in awe how much stuff you can download, how many transition effects you can download. Also, they contain different format. It is completely free. I'm in awe, people. I wish I knew about this before. Or actually, I have got horizontal paint brush. I can't remember if I have already installed it. I feel a little bit sleepy today because I went to the gym on Friday. Yesterday in Cornwall we had thunderstorm and lightning, and today I was working really hard at college as a cleaner. It's not easy to publish video tutorials when you work hard, when you do labor work. Okay, I will drag my left mouse button. Make sure you touch this image as well, so you can click, so you can extend. I couldn't see a red line. They should improve this a bit. Because it is slightly visible, the red line related to that effect, not the fade one, that one here. I think we will not see this until you restart program. Horizontal paint. Probably it won't be visible unless you restart application. We will have to restart our application to be able to see what we done, what we installed. Save. You cannot see this effect. You cannot see that transition effect file unless you open up application again. Unfortunately, in a minute I will have to go to sleep, people. Also, keep in mind I installed the latest version of Kdenlive application. I would like to show to you something, because they fixed one of the errors related to open source video editor. Okay, something important I wanted to tell you before I will show to you. One bug was closed in this version. They were able to fix 4-year-old bug. Full change log. I was working with version from October 2025. I didn't use this program for a long time because of lack of time. Okay, we can get back to our effect. Horizontal paint brush wipe. This is what I need to select. Oh yes, wonderful, amazing, we got this. You can see, it looks cool, but it will look even better. Don't forget to use softness. Invert. We can check invert. I hope you like my video tutorial. Also, as I told you, because it is easier, what we got here, because I didn't check Kdenlive library clips. I didn't use effect templates. I didn't study it, how to use this. I mainly use the wipe transition, wipe effects. photo lens style. I will definitely use this because it looks cool, that one here. Because we have 3 different lenses here. I will do that once again for you not to forget. I'm happy people that it is completely free of charge. This is why I like open source applications. Okay, you have to go to your user folder name. It depends if you have got program like OpenShell because it is easier for me to get to classic menu. Please install it if you miss traditional classic menu because the newest version is compatible with Windows 11 and Windows 10. Okay, again we have to go to application data. By default that folder is hidden, so you have to use option show hidden files folder and drives to be able to see that folder application data. Local, Kdenlive, Lulas, HD, and we copy that effect. And that's it. I have to drag back. Oh, what is this? Okay. As you can see, we have beautifully new effects. I will have to make video related to my sketches. So far I would like to check how does rendering perform, but because I'm using new settings in OBS Studio, so I have to check sound quality of my microphone because I use the new option gain and noise suppression when before I finish publishing video tutorial. And also, if you want a video to be successful, to avoid any errors when you record output recording, I deselected some settings and I don't want to talk at the moment about it because I want to publish video tutorial. I hope you like my video tutorial. I won't be doing a rendering test yet, but hopefully this should be working without any problems because we have the latest version of the Kdenlive program.